Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device. So what you need to do to transfer files is to download the app Send Anywhere, in the case of the Android device from the Play Store, in the case from the iPhone from the App Store. Through this app you can send files from any other Android device to other Android, from iPhone to iPhone, and like to cross-platform from Android to iPhone and backwards. So just open this app. When you open it for the first time, you just have to accept terms of conditions and privacy. Here, tap confirm. And then you have to grant all the accesses it requires here. So if you want to receive files, go to the receive section. If you want to send files, go to the send section. As you can see, you can send photos, videos, contacts, files, so everything you like. Let's send some photo, then tap send. To receive this file, you just have to input a 6-digit code. You can share a link, open link, and just download this file, or the easiest method, you can grant access to camera, then go to this barcode, go away, and get this image like this. And as you can see, now we have this image on our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.